Lady Sade, and we're back with the first tutorial of 2026. Okay, so getting into it, we're gonna start with cleaning our closure. Taking my 99% alcohol, which is the best to use when you're trying to get the excess glue off, and just give it a scrub. And as you'll see, the old glue starts to just come off. After all of that scrubbing, finally, we got it off. So now we gotta fix these tracks because, baby girl, I don't know what happened this day, but I pretty sure I was with my man or something. I don't know, but you know, let's get into it. Here you'll see me pressing my hair out before I apply my stocking cap. Now stretch your head inside the stocking cap, wrap it over the weave, and get ready to apply some glue. Okay, so the glue we're going to be using today is from Dula Hair. It's waterproof, and my cousin actually got this glue for me online. So you can clearly see I'm using the last bit of it to the T, okay? So let's just put it a little bit above the hairline, not on our hairline, because then we ain't gonna have no edges, so we gotta make some room for them edges. In the description bar below, I will have the link for the glue. You can get it off Shein or Amazon. We're just gonna rub and rub this glue in until it's dry and pasty. Okay, back to it. After that dance break, you're gonna see me threading a needle, because why would you glue your closure on your head? I'm just gonna sew the perimeter where the closure is gonna be. And then after we've done that, it's time to cut the cap off. So we'll have a space where we had our glue, and we're just gonna cut around where we sewed. Be sure to go back in with sharp scissors and get as close to the edge as you can. This is going to be where we'll lay our closure. Now, time for prep. After our alcohol, which cleaned our closure, we will need to get it as flat as possible before we put it on our head. Watch carefully as I am just going at the same natural flow of the hair and just getting it as flat as possible, getting the kinks out of it, because it's really looking a little nappy after you done wore it a couple times. But it's best to get the hair back. Comb the hair back. Okay, you see that?
democracy. in the KGB. So, no funny business. Are you already
Yes, honey. That's looking like scalp. Okay. So these little flyaways right here gots to go because they will be showing on your head. So you must tend to them. Once again, I'm going to take my Dula hair lace glue and apply, I say 3 to 4 layers, just depending on how long you want to wear your closure for. The more layers you do, the longer it will last. And we're going to mix it in until it's dry and tacky. Now we're gonna flip this over on our head like a hat. Boop. You see it? Okay, get a close up. Get it to the middle part. Try your best, because it's now or never. That glue is tacky and it's gonna stick quick. I don't know. My part look a little crooked, but let's just take our comb and press our lace into our scalp. Okay, boo. So I'm gonna take, this is a piece of the cap, the elastic band on the cap, and we're gonna take our needle and sew our closure onto our head. Because like I said, why would you be gluing your closure on your head?
Okay, back to it again. So, all the sides of the closure. Sew it in, boo. That way it's nice and tight. And flat, do you see that? Oh! Okay, we getting somewhere. Now let's press it again while it's on our head. So we can make it flat. 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 After I drop this tutorial, if I see y'all closures being bumpy, we're gonna have a problem because I told you it needs to be flat. Okay, look at that. Oh. Flat.
Okay, now let's clean it off. Clean off all of the extra glue. You don't want to have no extra little glue balls on your hairline. Okay, clean it off.
Okay, just one more time with the elastic band. One more time. And then you see. Okay, boo. Look at you.
Just so y'all know, the hair is from my collection. Of course. That's the real tea. Mwah. Now, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to making you guys another video. Just subscribe,